It has been said that books are man's best friends. Every time you pick a book, you are tapping into the wisdom of the author who has poured in decades of their experience into that book that you can get just by reading a few hundred pages. Well, I want to talk about a book that I am going on a book tour for, which is my latest book called Your Mess Has a Message. Well, you got it right, that this book was born out of a journey of personal crisis, a journey of personal adversity. And one of the key concepts that I talk about in the book is that of conscious resilience. See, as a surgeon and as an army officer, I have seen adversity from very close proximity. Whenever adversity strikes, whenever crisis comes in an individual's life, it can cause a breakdown, it can cause disease, it can cause the trajectory of the individual's life to change for good. However, what can cause a breakdown can also cause a breakthrough. And that is the whole premise of the book, that says that your mess has a message. How do we find clarity and meaning in a life of chaos and confusion? And that's exactly what I delve into in this book. See, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. There are 4 key denominators that I've found in my research of my patients and individuals that I interviewed when I was in the process of writing this book. And to briefly summarize, there were these key 4 denominators that determined whether the individual had the potential to break down from the crisis or to have a breakthrough. The first and the foremost thing is to recognize that within every adversity, there is a seed of equivalent or greater good that is hidden within it. Number 2, the world is an area or a realm of infinite possibilities. We may get locked into one solution only for our problem, but there are infinite ways in which the universe can deliver a solution to the problem that we are seeking for. Number 3, your potential is greater than the adversity that you have been given. And the fourth and the most important one is that you have to find the answers within you. And when you find them, you have to look, you got to listen, and you got to trust. Because we are looking for some magic miracle to happen and for the answers to our problems to come from outside of us. Well, the answers lie within each one of us. So I hope this message resonates with you, and I really look forward to seeing you or meeting you in person on my forthcoming US book tour. If you really love these kind of messages and these kind of videos, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay in touch through my newsletters on www.drarundhir.com, and I look forward to keeping you updated with my forthcoming US book tour. Take care and stay well.